To make a simple, moist and tender whole wheat Mandarin orange blueberry coconut bread, prepare 2 small or 1/2 pound silicone loaf pans and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Then add to a small mixing bowl 125 grams Mandarin orange segments, 100 grams blueberries, and mix in 75 grams dark brown sugar, 75 grams coconut milk, and 2 whole eggs. Next, fold in 120 grams whole wheat all-purpose flour, 3 grams baking powder, and a pinch of salt, just to combine. Then divide the batter between the prepared loaf pans and bake for 45 minutes. The whole wheat Mandarin orange blueberry coconut bread is done when it is nicely browned on top, and a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out dry. Best served at room temperature and stored tightly wrapped in an airtight container. The quick bread will be at its best for 2 to 3 days.